Hey, did you know? There are thousands of job opportunities for data analyst role worldwide, especially in the high-paying industries like banking, healthcare, and clinical. With the skills like SAS, SQL, Python, R, and Tableau, you can unlock these opportunities and take your career to the next level. But the truth is, only handful of people have right skills to land into their dream jobs. Do you want to learn the exact methods that have helped hundreds of my students break into top tier companies as data engineers, data analysts, and clinical SAS programmers? Hi, I'm Murli Krishna Tenali, a professional software engineer having more than 16 years of experience in tech industry as vice president and mentor. I have extensive experience in using these technologies across various industries such as clinical, retail, healthcare, and banking. In my career, I have trained countless students on how to master various programming languages for industries like clinical, banking, finance, and retail. Together, we simplify this process, work on real-world projects, and prepare you for industry demands. It's a hands-on, typical 8 to 12-week program for each course, where you can choose to sign up for programs like SAS, SQL, Python, Tableau, and R. Each course is designed to make you job ready, whether you are a fresher or you are advancing your career. If you are serious about upgrading your career, then join our Telegram groups for the details about the program, upcoming batches, and introductory live Zoom sessions. The introductory master session is absolutely free. Join my masterclass and explore the career opportunities that are awaiting. I'll guide you every step of the way and help you achieve your goals. See you